Hey campers, it's Nate Mills here with Pete's RV TV today. We're going to be taking a look at the 2019 Vibe 24BH. To start off, we're going to have this beautiful molded fiberglass front cap here. We also have an LED light strip up here as well. So if you're hooking up at night, you're not going to have a problem with some extra provided light. We also have a power tongue jack, so with just a press of a button, easy on and off the hitch. We have your LP tank cover here. You're gonna have room for two 20-pound LP tanks in there. And then behind that, we have some deep cycle battery storage. So if you wanna take a dry camping trip, you're gonna have room for two deep cycle batteries back there. Take a look at this huge pass-through storage here. This is a little bit bigger than your typical RV trailer. You're gonna have room for all your large camping items, large camping chairs, fishing rods, whatever you need to bring with you, you can store right in there. We have this nice big power awning. Under that, you're gonna find two speakers. So if you wanna do some entertaining outside, not only are you gonna have a great area that's shaded from the sun, but you're gonna be able to blast some of your favorite tunes as well. One of my favorite things about this trailer is it's got the wide solid step system on it. And it's gonna provide the perfect entryway into your trailer. You're not gonna have any problem with the trailer shaking when you go in and out, and it's gonna provide a nice solid ramp right into your trailer. So let's go inside and take a look at what it has to offer. Hey folks, now we're in the inside of the 24BH and we're gonna start to take a look at everything this unit has to offer. First off, we're gonna take a look at the dinette. It's got some nice lighting above it and some nice accent cushions as well. This is a cool design. It's a little bit different from what you normally see, so it makes it a little unique. And below that, we're gonna have a large pots and pans drawer on both sides. So you can use that for pots and pans or any kind of larger items you bring along with you. It's tons of extra storage. Now we're gonna move back into the entertainment center here. It's a pretty interesting design. We have a bunk above our tri-fold sofa here, so it provides some extra sleeping space, and when you're not using it, you can just slide it right up there and sit down on the couch and take a look at your beautiful television and entertainment center over here. We have some nice open storage here in case you want to bring any DVDs along with you, any CDs, any video game consoles you can set up right there. And below that, we're going to have some storage as well. And then your Furrion entertainment console right there. Bring some DVDs, pop them right in there and play them on your television. We'll check out the bathroom. Have tons of leg room there when you're using the toilet. A beautiful shower surround, a nice open shower with a skylight above it. So you're gonna be provided that extra light when you're taking a shower. Then you have your sink and your vanity. You have an interesting little soft pouch storage center above your sink there. So bring some extra toiletry items with you. You can put them right in that. Moving on to the kitchen, we have a beautiful stainless steel refrigerator. Tons of storage space in there, as well as the freezer, some glass shelving. It's a really sleek design, and it's going to allow you to bring any kind of food items to make a nice home-cooked meal. We have your Furrion 3-burner cooktop that has this glass backsplash that folds right up, but it also acts as some counter space when you're not using your cooktop. Extends the counter space there. We also have the oven below it, which has a matching drawer below it, so you can put some pots and pans in there as well, and it just matches the design of the kitchen. Super sleek, super nice. We have our stainless steel sink with our little drying rack. In case you do some dishes, you can just set that right up there and let the dishes dry right into the sink. We also have this nice extended faucet, allows you to take it out and get those bigger pots and pans nice and clean. Tons of storage above and below the sink there, and it does come with a trash can as well, so you don't have to provide your own. Moving on, we have this kind of utility storage area over here. Tons of drawers, tons of cabinets, and you will have a wardrobe rod right in the back of there in case you want to hang up some shirts. All right, moving on to the bedroom. We do have the residential Denver mattress collection in here. Super comfortable residential style mattress. It's gonna feel like you're sleeping right at home. Another wardrobe spot in there with a clothes hook and storage above as well. Tons of space to bring any kind of clothing items you need, anything like that. That about wraps up the 24BH. If you want to see floor plans like this or anything else, please be sure to give us a call or look us up on Pete'sRV.com. We hope to see you on our lot soon, folks, and happy camping.